Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can block the notifications of any chat in your Facebook Messenger. So first, we're gonna open our Facebook Messenger by clicking on this message icon at the top right corner. Then, once you are inside the Messenger, simply select that particular chat of which you want to block the notifications of. So for example, I want to block notifications from this chat right here. So then simply hold this chat and it will give you an option to mute notifications. Simply click on this mute notifications button and it will give you three options, either to mute the message notifications or to message the call notifications, or you may choose both of them by clicking on this message and call notifications option. So if you don't want any notification, simply choose the third option. Then once you have done this, it will give you two further options, either to block the notifications for a temporary time like 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours or 24 hours, or to block the notifications permanently. If you want to permanently block the notifications, simply choose this until I change it button. Now once you have done this, you can see that this icon is appearing here which states that the notification from this particular chat will be blocked. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.